Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear brothers and sisters, this is your sister Farina Siddique, and just one reminder that I just heard and realized that we need to remind each other about. We always boast about our lavish living, our blessings that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grants us with in this dunya. The big car we have, the big mansion we have, the six-figure salary we have, the perfect lifestyle we have, the clothing we buy from name brands, all these things. Do we actually compete and boast about what we are actually accumulating and building towards Jannah? No, we don't. So we need to focus about that. We focus about building this dunya. We want to have one car and then two cars and then a better car, an even better car, and then an even a better car. We want a 2-bedroom house, then a 4-bedroom house, then a mansion, then even the greed, the desire is endless. But do we actually race towards Jannah? Do we actually race towards building the best house, in the best neighborhood, in the best location, and with the best environment in Jannah? We need to compete for that. And how do we compete for that? We need to focus on our nafs. We need to actually fight our nafs, fight our inner desires. As the slave of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we need to focus on how to actually defeat ourselves. The perfect thing that you can work on, fighting your own nafs. If you can fight your nafs, if you can defeat your nafs, if you can defeat your own desires, you will become the perfect slave of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Why? Because you will only be focused on pleasing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, not the creations of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You will not care about who is happy, who is following the culture, who do we need to please to. So you will not focus on the small, tiny, mini gods of this earth. You will only be focused on the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and you will live your life seeking the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this is exactly why fighting nafs will train you towards building that house, the best location in Jannah. Focus on that, inshallah, and keep building towards that. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.